Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of PEPE, AAVE, APT, MNT and TAO. So before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of PEPE against the USDC. The exchange is Binance. So if we discuss about this trend, it is currently in its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this symmetrical triangle formation at 0.00001591, and after this breakdown, it exposed the final target of 0.000000, sorry, 0.00000865. And if you look at this candle that was made on 3rd Feb 2025, it achieved its final target, and currently prices are consolidating just above its final target. If you have bought this coin at a higher rates and now you want to get exit from this coin, this coin can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is at 0.00001298. So you can exit from this coin at this level. So I will not recommend you guys to go into this coin for buying until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. The next coin is AAVE. If we discuss its trend on 1 day time frame, if we discuss the trend of AAVE against the USDC on 1 day time frame, the exchange is Binance. Currently, it is consolidating in this channel formation, where the support of this channel formation is at 230, and the resistance of this channel formation is 337. So if you want to go for buying, then you need to make sure that you get buying prices near the 230, and you put your stop loss below this level, that is 230. If you see the prices have touched this level in these candles, so now this price can start going upwards, where its first target is at around let me mark the first target. The first target is around 300, and the final target is at around 337. So if you are going for buying into this kind, then you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 230. The next coin is APT. So if we discuss the trend of APT against the USDC, the exchange is minus on 1 day time frame. Currently, it is moving in its downtrend. It gave its breakdown in this candle on 21st of December 2024 of this double top formation, that is a trend reversal formation, and it exposed the final target of 6.26. And if you look at the candle that was made on the 2nd Feb 2025, it achieved its final target, and right now prices are just consolidating on its final target. If you have bought this coin and you are stuck into this coin and you want to exit from this coin, then it can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is around 7.50. If the prices come at this point and you want to exit from this coin, then this level will be the best level to exit from this coin with minimum loss. So I will not recommend you guys to go into buying this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. So if you want to get timely alerts about the trends of these coins, simply subscribe my channel. So I will keep on posting about the trend of these coins, so you will not miss that information. The next coin is MNT. If we discuss the MNT against the USDC on a 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidating, and the support of this consolidation zone is at 0.9849, and the resistance of this consolidation is at 1.3502. And currently its prices are at 1.0321, like very close to the support level. So if you want to go for buying those, so the prices are very close to the support, you can go for buying into this coin, but you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 0.9099, because if it gives closing below this level, it will simply start its downtrend. Because if you see here, it has made a double top formation, and if it gives closing below 0.990, then simply it will start its downtrend and the prices will not go on upside. But currently the prices are consolidating just on its support level. So we will stay on a point of view that the prices will simply stay within this consolidation zone, where the price will rise from this support level, that is 0.9849, to the first target, that is 1.1566, and the final target of this coin, if you buy this on this support level, that is 0.9849, then its final target, then its first target will be at 1.1566 and its final target will be at 1.3502. So the next coin is the TAO. So if we discuss the trend of TAO against the USDC on exchanges Binance, it has recently started its uptrend. It was consolidating in this falling channel formation, where its breakout level is at 412 in this candle. And after this breakout, it has exposed two targets on upside, where its first target is at 497 and its final target is at 589. So you can expect the profit of 43% from its breakout level in upcoming days in this coin. So I am very bullish into this coin. So if you want to go for buying into this coin, simply go for buying at this breakout level and put your stop loss below 335, so you are not at a great risk. So I have discussed these coins on a 1 day time frame, and if you want to get timely breakout and breakdown alerts and alerts about the trends on shorter time frame, smaller time frame, like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, or 15-minute time frame, for you can join my free Telegram on WhatsApp, sorry, Telegram and my Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video description, so you can simply join those groups through those links. So now I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you don't miss any informative content like this. That's all for now. See you in next video.